you are going to see about our application, Prhainternational, which is an inventory and a billing application. To open our application, you need to navigate to any of the browser and type www.prhainternational.com. So you will be navigated to our homepage where you can see the both the buttons, login as well as registration. If you already have the username password, you can log in with this username and password. If you don't have any username password, you can click on the registration or sign up. Both are navigates to the same page, and you can register over here. I'm registering with the details. Limited, okay, and selecting the country. It can be used by retailers, distributors, manufacturers, and wholesaler. Based on your thing, you can select the options. Okay, I'm selecting as a distributor, giving my email ID. Okay, just save it. Then the username. Once I click the registration, it will it will successfully get registered, and it will show a registration successful pop-up with a OK button. In this, please check your email inbox to verify and confirm your account. Once you confirm, your account will be you are able to log in with your account. What I'm going to do, I'm going to navigate to my email ID, to my Gmail. Receive the email, confirmation email. Once I click this, I will be navigated to my application. Okay, you can directly now you don't see the login or the registration button. Instead, you see the my account where you'll be able to see your details. These three fields are editable. Okay, okay, okay. If what I will do, I will try to add the inventory product. Before adding anything, you need to go on, click on the start free trial. Your trial has been activated, and then you can come to inventory. When you get quantities, I'm giving all these mandatory details. Want you can provide it. Clicking on the OK button, you see here you are able to see the product. Okay, got added in your inventory. Since it's a manual thing, we have came up with the bulk import as well. Okay, you can import many products. Okay, products has been successfully imported, And to import this, we have provided the templates. Okay, download template for CSV and XLS. So you can download and provide the details, and you can come here and import. If you go to the inventory product management list, you can see all the products. Okay, and if it has a low stock, it will be notified in the status. And if a product is expired, it will be notified here as well. You can see the status over here as well. Okay, and if required, you can search and find the product. This checkbox is to select the product, and you can delete it. Delete the selected product. It can be done bulk, or it can be done as a single product. Okay. Yeah. This is the product management list page. Now we will navigate to the other module. It's a debit notes, where in the similar manner we have given the download CSV as well as XLSV. You can, if you want, you can download and you can easily import your details over here. Here, for example, I'm giving 1,000 rupees. This debit note is nothing but debits which you have provided to your customers. To maintain that, we have created this model, and whether it's a debit, okay, and you can provide the description if required. This get added over here. If a user is paid, mark it as paid. The status changes to paid. Okay. In the same manner, you can import the debit notes as well. This is nothing but the CSV XLS which I have downloaded from here. Okay. If you see here, the status of the remaining or pending. If a payment is done, you can mark it as paid, and if not required, you can delete it. This is the feature which deals with the debit notes. You click it, it downloads the XLS. Okay, yeah, this is the debit note, and this is nothing but the filter start date and end date. Based on that, you can filter your debit notes. The next one is expiry. Okay, in this expiry, overall you have 11 products. In that, one product is near expiry. It shows 30 days. Within 30 days, what are the products going to expire will be shown over here. And moreover, how much you will be saving. Okay. For example, sugar. Okay. Calculates in this way. Selling price into 125 product, 125 quantity. That is why you get this 15,000. It clearly states if you have 10 products, how much you will be saving it and what is the return. Okay. It's just a awareness which is useful for a lot of B2B and B2C users. Moving to the next module, it's nothing but the invoice generation and the bill generation. Okay. Invoice generation, the invoice number will be INB. For bill generation, it starts with bill. Okay. It's a random number. You can edit it, and you can make it based on your terms. Okay. And we have payment terms as well, cash, card, and UPay, all these functions, all these options. And it auto populates the company name from your my account and the address from there. If you have GST number, you can save it so that it gets saved, and it get incorporated into your invoice or the bill. Okay. You can upload your company logo as well. has been successfully loaded. And if you know the customer name or details, you can provide them. Okay, you can provide the details. And just maybe give the test. Yes. Okay. And if you want, you, yeah, it will auto suggest based on the inventory. Your product will be listed here. You can go and select it. If you require, you can add it manually, or you can increase it with the quantity over here. If you add over here, it get added. And for example, wait, hold on, I will add. Your GST will be calculated based on these are the dummy products. So you is based on the real code, based on the HSN code. Okay? And if any terms and notes you like to provide, you can provide over here. Just show them. This is the thermal bill. Okay, thermal bill. And if you want, you can generate an invoice or bill in a standard way. So if you see, your logo will be shown here, and the invoice number is standard, the GST. Okay, and the product, what type of payment, and you can see, and the invoice date, due date, everything. You can signature it. You can print, upload, preview, and if you require, you can save it. Okay, your invoice gets saved here. Okay, you can go and view or print it again if required. Mm, this is what. Uh, and there is the beauty. Oh, this is you. If you have a previous debit, okay, the customer needs to give some 1,000 rupees debit, can be added to your bill, and you can generate the invoice. Okay, previous one. Oh, since there is no need, I have deleted it. I can add. You have two options. You can create a debit, okay, without any adding the product, okay, and also you can do the same by adding the it works. If you go with the thermal bill, it gets changed to thermal bill, and US balance of debit will be also added over here. Mm, Remove it, okay, so that it will be shown only in the standards. Okay, your logo got removed, and only your name of the company is added. Can based on your files JPG file size, it will be shown here. Okay, yeah. This is more about the billing and invoicing, and I go to reports. We have this many reports: sales report, profit margin, best selling, stock reports, reorder, expiry report. It's nothing but the expiry which is shown now. You can come at any time, and you can see that report.